Dinner table. It's perfect, but you can't have a beautiful dinner without a beautiful dinnerware set. And that's exactly what we're talking about right now. This is the 12-piece square dinnerware set. And this is absolutely perfect. I cannot believe that it's this price. This is the first day at this super low sale price. And there's no reorders on this, right?
There's no reorder of this. And this is so great. Would you mind if I just showed it back here?
Let's
absolutely.
That okay,
so I can show each piece?
100%.
Thank you so much.
Definitely.
So you're getting service for 12 individual pieces. It's going to start with that nice big 10-inch square dinner plate. Beautiful. This is the black floral lace. So hand painted on the inside, beautiful rope detail and beaded pearl accents right there. But when I show the profile, you can see how it's that well designed.
Love it.
Pasta, steaks, anything with the sauces, right? You don't have to worry about it. In the oven up to 500 degrees. Microwave, refrigerator, freezer. So this is now your bakeware too.
Perfect.
You're getting 4 dinner plates. Then you're getting 4 salad, luncheon, dessert, whatever you want them to be. I use them for portion control. I love in the floral lace.
Just gonna say that. Like,
right?
look how beautiful. Like the opposite.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Absolutely stunning.
It's just stunning, isn't it? So you're getting 4 of those, and then the bowls are just spectacular. These are 18 ounces, and look at that square shape. It's that soft square. The inside, again, just pops, but weddings, showers, I mean, this is a fabulous gift.
It is a perfect gift, and as Lisa was just saying, this is that floral lace in the black. We also have it available in the gray, as well as the red. I'm sorry, this one is the cranberry, this one is the red. So just note, you've got that deeper sort of wine cranberry, and then you've got that brighter red. We also have it in the blue, in the yellow, and in the taupe. And now we move into our old world design with the confetti. That confetti is giving you all of those primary colors, which is so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Love that. Green.
That's the OG.
OG green, I love this. Taupe, gray, blue, and yellow, and then your doodle-doos. Okay.
And here, I'll take it out apart so 100%. You can literally see what this looks like.
See it all.
Look how styrofoam is not included.
Styrofoam is not included, little bits and bobbles here. So we have it in gray and black in the doodle-doo, but look at that design.
And then when you layer that on top, look how gorgeous this is. We are not bringing this back. Usually people buy about 3 sets, right? So you have service for 12, if you can swing it. But we're talking $3 and change for a bowl.
Yeah.
$3 and change for a dessert and a dinner plate.
Right.
Crazy, right?
It's wild. And you think about, like, how many of your dinner plates have chips on them, or maybe they're not all matching. I mean, that's a lot of us. Let's be honest here.
Exactly. And now's the time to look and see, right? What you have in your cabinet. Because there's a color. There's a pattern for everyone. For everyone. And now is the time to refresh. This is an incredible value, and I love it as a gift.
Oh, it's a perfect gift because you're getting 12 pieces. I mean, you are all set. Let's come take a look at the dining room table so you can see just how incredible this looks, because it is so special when you look at everything all together, all out here in this really beautiful setting, and the way that you're seeing this. And this is a setting that's not going to go in the cupboard. You're going to put this on your dining room table and showcase it.
Without a doubt. Look, we eat with our eyes first. There's no food on this dinnerware right now. But yet we're so wowed by the way it looks on the table. It is an experience it's a visual experience. It's an experience of memories. But what we do at Temp-tations is we make it affordable as well as versatile and functional. Put it through the paces. It is also, you can cut your steak right on here. Like with our steak knives, no worries. You can cut right on here and nothing is going to happen. That is just stunning.
It really is. Less than $40, you're bringing this home for these amazing 5 easy pays of $8.
Yes.
$3 and change per piece. That's wild.
It's wild.
It's stoneware. You can literally put this in the oven. That's so crazy to me.
It's crazy. I mean, when you think about this, service for 4, but 12 individual pieces, 12 dinner plates, 4 dinner plates, 4 bowls, 4 salad plates. They stack so easily. Also, feel free to mix and match.
Oh, I love that.
Maybe you want to get 2 different colors. Maybe you love the same. But I do know one thing. I have never seen us sell dinnerware for under $40. And I've worked with Tara for 18 years, so wow.
I mean, this is the first day at this super low sale price, which makes it really, really special. People are picking these up. We've had a couple hundred right out the door already.
Wow.
And I mean, I know why, because they're absolutely beautiful. And you have to ask yourself, do we need new plates? Do we? I'm not sure. When you get pieces like this is a reason to have that couple over and have a dinner party. And this is the best part. You can do a lot of your prep in here. Put your salads in here, put them right into the fridge, and then pull them out nice and cold when it's ready to serve, right?
That's exactly right. I mean, and this is how you refresh for the spring, right? You know, changing your dinnerware arguably is the best way to change the look of your kitchen, your dining room.
Yes.
Because bakeware you pull out maybe for dinner, maybe for lunch, but dinnerware, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, everything in between. So that's why you want to make sure you have stoneware that is high quality and can go through the paces with you.
And I mean, these are your workhorses. You know, this stoneware is so durable. It's so strong. This is going to handle the dishwasher, the microwave. You don't have to hand wash these. Yes, you're not going to bang them around, of course, but what I'm saying is they are built to last.
They are built to last. And I love the colors. I mean,
oh my
when
goodness.
we look at it back here, like the black, this reminds me of that toile.
Oh,
elegant, gorgeous, right?
Absolutely. But even the black and the gray next to each other, as you were saying, or the gray and the cranberry. Like, I mean, it just goes on. I mean, let me just tell you about all the colors while we're here. So what we have here is the floral lace design in the black, the gray, the cranberry, the red, the blue, yellow, and last but not least, the taupe. Now the old world in that confetti, in the green, taupe, gray, blue, and yellow. And then we were playing with Doodle Doo over here. We've got gray Doodle Doo and the black Doodle Doo. Black is very limited. Only 5 dozen remaining in that black. So
and we're talking about forever. We are not bringing this back.
Yes, that's it. Over 300 now picked up and out the door. But this Doodle Doo, the design is so special because as you can see, we have to hold these up.
Yeah, because
I mean,
just
look,
so pretty,
it's
right?
literally a frame for your meal,
this sits
right on top.
In there.
How
Just
perfect
stunning.
is that? I mean, this just looks so beautiful. This is absolutely something you're going to put on your table. No food needed, because it's so beautiful.
You know what I love about it, Steve? It's every day to holiday. So you don't need to change out now for the seasons. Although one idea that I do love is that if you have always wanted a holiday dinnerware, maybe get the floral lace red. And that's what you're going to use for the holidays, or the old world green. Because at this price, it's amazing.
That is so smart to do like a red and green set.
Yes.
And now you have that beautiful sort of pairing. It's so lovely. But even the yellow and floral lace for just your Easter dinner, beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful. And this is where you really see all the detail of Temp-tations in the floral lace, the engraving. What does that mean? When I run my fingers along it, you can literally feel the pattern and that beautiful beading along the edge.
I love that.
The details are what makes something spectacular, right? It's those tiny little touches that come together and create the most beautiful dinnerware set.
I could not agree more. And the fact that you've got that dip, that lip inside. So yes, you're having that spaghetti with your red sauce, or maybe you have a curry or something that's very, very saucy. It's really, really great. So perfect. 400 now out the door.
$3 and change. For each piece, and you're getting 12 of them in the set.
Yeah. Like,
it's crazy.
It really is.
Think about what you spend on coffee in a week going through the drive-thru. This is like new dinnerware, right?
Yes. I mean, coffee in a few days for me. I'm like, yes. It's so true. But it's amazing because we have them all right now in all of these different colors. Black Doodle Doo is very, very limited. That is flying out the door. But some really, really beautiful colorways. As Lisa was just saying, something for everyone, for everyone's kitchen. And that's exactly what we have here. Let me run through one more time what we have. That black floral lace, gray, cranberry, red, blue, yellow, taupe, old world confetti, green, taupe, gray, blue, and yellow, the gray Doodle Doo, and the black Doodle Doo. So many, no, I'm getting updates here. Do we still have black Doodle Doo? We only have 12 left.
Wow.
Only 12 of you will be lucky enough to grab Black Doodle Doo.
And most people buy 2 or 3 sets, so it's like just a few more people can get it.
It's true, but I have to ask you, do you have a beautiful, beautiful set to have that really beautiful meal? Well, now is that time because there's no reorder and you're getting all 12 of them for less than $40.
It's crazy, seriously.
It's wild to me.
Yes, it is.
And we have it beautifully displayed here for you can see how it looks when it's all stacked on top of one another. We put a beautiful linen napkin in between here, but it's really up to you to create and get creative. Maybe you want to turn that bowl on an angle there and give it some more dimension. But as Lisa was saying, it is a 360 design. That beautiful beaded design on the outwork really makes it very, very special.
Yeah, absolutely. And look at the detail on that. And then let's talk about the functionality. In the oven up to 500 degrees. Can your dinnerware do that right now?
Right.
Can you put it in the microwave? Not all dinnerware goes in the microwave. Can it be put in the dishwasher so after the holidays you're not hand washing everything?
Yeah.
Can you take a steak knife and cut right on here with no worries? Because you can with this one. It's so beautiful, but it's so versatile. So I always say sometimes, don't let the price fool you.
Sure.
This is high quality stoneware. Our grandmothers used it. Their grandmothers used it.
Yeah.
We brought it into dinnerware because there's nothing like setting a table, right?
I love that. Absolutely. Yes. And food just tastes better when you're eating it on some really beautiful pieces.
It sure does.
Right?
It sure does.
It's so true.
And the square's unique.
Oh,
exactly. You don't see
exactly.
it coming and going all the time.
That's true.
Love
That is
that.
very true. I love the fact that it's square and that it's not round. Okay, we've got a little bit of an update for you right now here. In the floral lace, the taupe is no longer with us anymore.
Oh, okay, got it.
Maybe we'll put the bowl down. We only have a dozen left in the yellow. So hurry on that yellow. This yellow is so perfect. People
gorgeous.
are loving yellow this season, which I really, really love because it's such a really great, fun, vibrant way to say hello, spring. One more time in that floral lace, we have it in the black, the gray, the cranberry, the red, the blue, the yellow, not the taupe. Old World confetti, green, taupe, gray, blue, yellow, and the Doodle Doo in your gray, and just a handful left in that black. An amazing 12-piece set, 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 of those bowls, all for $39.98 and 5 easy payments of $8. You certainly want to pick that up while we still have them, over 600 out the door.